watch my show, Ethan. No, my show is better.
This is my show now.
You are so selfish, Ethan. Fine. I will not fight anymore. Oh, Mr. Chen is in his garden. He is always so kind. I like Mr. Chen. Oh no, Mr. Chen fell down! Ethan, come look! Mr. Chen is hurt! Ethan, please, he's hurt! Look, Ethan!
He is fine, Sarah. Stop being dramatic.
But he's in trouble! He is not fine! He cannot get up!
Go away, Sarah.
Fine! I will help him myself! Hold on, Mr. Chen. I am coming. Mr. Chen! Mr. Chen, I am here! Mr. Chen!
Sarah, I fell. My leg?
Oh no! Hold on, I'm here. It is okay, Mr. Chen. I am here. Do not worry. Oh, this is bad. I need to get help. Mr. Chen, do not move. I am going to get my mom.
Thank you, Sarah.
Mom, where are you? Ethan, please! Mr. Chen is really hurt! Please come!
Sarah, stop! You are blocking my show.
Ethan, this is serious! Listen to me. Mr. Chen fell. He cannot get up. His leg is hurt. Ethan, please. He is an old man. He needs our help right now.
Give me that remote, Sarah, right now!
He has a phone. He can call someone himself. I cannot believe you, Ethan.
Sarah, what happened? Why are you crying?
Mom, Mr. Chen fell in his garden. He cannot stand up. His leg looks very bad.
Oh no. Are you sure, Sarah?
Yes, Mom. I saw him. I held his hand. Please hurry.
Hello? Yes, this is an emergency. My neighbor fell. He is an elderly man. His leg is injured. The address is 14 Maple Street. Please come quickly. Thank you. Come, Sarah. The ambulance is on its way. Let us go to Mr. Chen.
Okay, Mom. Fast, please. Mom, I was so scared.
You did the right thing, sweetheart. You were very brave.
Mom, the ambulance is coming.
Good. We called in time.
Maya, thank goodness. Sarah, she saved me.
Don't move, Mr. Chen. Help is here.
Sir, can you hear me? We are here to help you.
Yes, my leg, I cannot move it.
Okay, sir. We're going to take care of you. You are safe now, sir. Just stay still.
Thank you.
Please be okay, Mr. Chen.
He is in good hands now, Sarah.
Will he be okay, Mom?
An ambulance? That is real. Is Mr. Chen okay?
Mr. Chen is on his way to the hospital, Ethan. Your sister asked for your help. You said no.
I needed your help, Ethan. Mr. Chen needed your help.
I did not know it was serious.
You chose not to listen, Ethan. You were wonderful today, Sarah.
I was so scared, Mom.
Being scared is okay, but you still helped. That is what matters.
She was right. She was telling the truth.
I need to say sorry.
Sarah, I am sorry. I should have listened to you. You were right. It was serious, and I did not help.
Can we make something for Mr. Chen to take to the hospital? Yes, let's bring him fruit and a card. Good idea. Let's pick the best ones. I'll get a bag from the fridge. Thank you, Ethan. Come on. Let us go see Mr. Chen. Ethan, thank you for coming.
Thank you for not giving up on me, Sarah.